Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In today's video, we're going to talk about keywords and show you how to easily check your computer's RAM and ROM step by step. Now let's get started. Method 1, check RAM. Step 1, right-click on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen, and then click on Task Manager from the list. Task Manager is a powerful built-in tool that helps you monitor running apps and system performance. It is important because it shows how your computer's memory and resources are being used. Step 2. Once Task Manager opens, click on the Performance tab at the top and then select Memory from the left panel. In this section, you can see the total amount of RAM installed on your system and how much of it is currently in use. This information helps you understand your computer's speed and multitasking capability. Method 2, check ROM. Step 1, press the Windows key and the E key together on your keyboard to quickly open File Explorer. File Explorer is the main place where all your files, folders, and drives are stored. It allows you to access and manage your computer's storage easily. Step 2, in File Explorer, click on this PC from the left-hand side panel. This PC displays all the available storage drives connected to your computer. It gives you a clear overview of your internal and external storage devices. Step 3, under Devices and Drives, you will see all listed drives, along with a bar that shows how much space is used and how much is free. This helps you quickly check your available storage space. Keeping track of free space is important for maintaining smooth system performance. Step 4, right-click on any drive and select Properties to open a detailed information window. Here you can see the total capacity, used space, and available free space of that specific drive. This detailed view helps you manage and organize your storage more effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech videos.